Welcome and thank you for joining me. I got a new toy for myself and my family. Welcome, a used Seadoo GTI 130 with 86 hours on it. It's a used machine in excellent shape, and in this video I wanted to share with you how we use it and a few more details. So this was purchased from a one owner guy. He took care of the machine. It has only 86 hours on the motor. This is the non-supercharged model, so it has 130 horsepower, which means it's more reliable since there is no supercharger in it. It's a 3-cylinder 1.5 liter engine. There is no supercharger, so it's naturally aspirated. This is the under the seat, the engine compartment. Looks very clean and in immaculate condition. Let's fill it up and go for a ride. As per owner's manual, this machine does not require premium fuel, but sometimes I would fill it with premium too, including my XC70, some extra fuel to take with me just in case. That's a 20-liter jug, or whatever it's in gallons. Of course, the Seadoo came on a 2017 moved trailer. It's not aluminum, it's just steel trailer, but whatever, works perfect. There is a nice storage compartment up front, and it's a 60-liter tank, which is pretty big. I was very surprised to find out that it's pretty much a car size capacity for the fuel tank. So we're gonna fill it up and we're gonna go for a ride in town here in Winnipeg on Red River. We're going here with my wife for a date. We're gonna run it approximately 20 minutes to downtown to Forks. We're gonna eat something, drink something, just walk around the beautiful Forks and come back in the evening. Let's go for it. And we have arrived at the Forks here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. You can actually park any watercraft for free compared to a car where you have to pay for parking here. So we're gonna leave it at the dock and we're gonna go for a few hours for a little tour at the Forks. There is already some other boaters here that come over. I really like this colorful boat beside us. Here there are a few shops around, some restaurants to eat, a really nice bar with beer and wine crafted here in Canada. And I really like this IPA from British Columbia. Really tasty beer, IPA unfiltered. This is my favorite, and I always take one cup here every time I come over. We did order some food. Pretty good, pretty decent, nothing special. And we enjoy the summer as much as possible since it's so short here in Canada. Pretty much 3 months and you're done. Definitely worth every moment spent. Let's head back. Top speed on this machine is 86 kilometers or 54 miles an hour. which is probably sounds not fast, but believe me, on water this is fast, especially when you start to maneuver hard. It feels a lot faster than the numbers themselves. I also took it for a little spin myself here, just for fun. We also did the same trip on the other day with the kids, and they enjoyed the machine a lot. And they didn't let me ride it at all, so I had to compromise and just be a passenger at the moment. We took the machine also to different lakes throughout Manitoba, and we did pull a tube, which we really enjoy too, adults and kids. So it's a 3-seater machine. I will be posting some maintenance on the machine, like spark plugs, oil changes, winterization and coolant changes. So I hope that you will enjoy those videos too, and it will be helpful for others. This will be probably the last ride this summer, since it's getting colder and the water is getting colder too. The XC70 is behaving perfect. I really love my Volvo. Don't forget about the taillights module, which you can see right now. It's an amazing look. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, guys.